Hello investors, welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. So as we start to get closer to October and another earnings season is starting again, we're going to discuss the top 4 stocks for the month of October to buy right now that are either at a dip or just at a great buying opportunity with earnings coming up or just some other type of data that is going to try to push that stock up. Now, if we take a quick look right here at the NASDAQ and the market in general, it's been doing okay, but we've been kind of consolidating here. If we take a look at the 1 month, it's been actually down in the past month, but we've been trading sideways here for a few weeks now, which is a good sign because we're kind of creating a support area right there with the market, and hopefully we break out through that and then break through new highs and continue to go up during the next earnings season and towards the end of the year as we go into the presidential race and see what happens with that as well. Now, before we get into the list, guys, can we take a quick second and get 200 plus likes on this video? So go ahead and smash that like button. It helps the channel grow and it just shows me some support. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video with all my investing content. As you guys know, I make videos on investing in stocks, dividend stocks, penny stocks, growth stocks, all types of different stocks. And also leave a comment below just letting me know what your favorite stock is in order to be eligible for the giveaway that we're going to be doing at 10,000 subscribers. Right now we're at 9.4 thousand subscribers. So at 10,000 subscribers, we have the Amazon gift card giveaway. So leave a comment below just letting me know your favorite stock, and let's get into the countdown. All right, so the number 4 pick for the month of October is going to be ticker symbol UPS, which is the United Parcel Services. So this is an American multinational package delivery and supply chain management company. As we all know, earnings are coming up in a few days actually, or a few weeks actually, if you guys want to make it more official. But if you guys followed FedEx actually a few weeks ago, FedEx destroyed earnings. They had amazing earnings and the stock blew up. It went up a lot. And also UPS followed, but then UPS just kind of pulled back down. Now if we look here year to date, UPS is up about 39%. But it was down here at a low of about $86, currently trading at $166.12. It was up about 3.5% on Friday at the close. A good thing to see here is it has a dividend, so the dividend rate is $4.04 per year with the yield of 2.43%. And then the market cap for UPS is $143.42 billion. Now, if we take a look here at the 6-month chart, UPS had a jump here, and around August, the beginning of August, it jumped to 156, and in the past pretty much 2 months it's been trading sideways at this exact price, between 160 165, back down to 155. That's the area it's been trading at. And so we're kind of, that's kind of our support, and we're building up. Hopefully after this earnings we can blow through 170 175 or higher, and continue to go up, especially since we have a lot of things coming up. UPS, just like FedEx, they're hiring extra workers, especially now with the holiday seasons coming up. They're going to be making so much more profit as everybody's going to be ordering online even more. But if we take a quick look here at their information and everything they have with it, so if we take a look at the dividend score, obviously $1.01, like we said, per quarter. And then if we take a look here at their dividend yield, their 4-year average yield is about 3.26%, which is pretty good. And their dividend growth, they've had 11 years of growth. So for the past 11 years, they've had growth, and currently it's about $3.84 per share as of 2019, right there on the chart. But it's been increasing, slowly, which is good. And then their dividend history, obviously, it's been, pretty steady, quarterly paying dividend, $1.01 right now. And the dividend safety, 57.28%. So it's jumped up. It's around, the 50s. It's been around the 50s. And then if we take a look at the earnings, they had beautiful earnings. So last earnings was July 30th, 2020. The EPS actual was $2.13, beat by $1.05. Revenue actual was 20.46 billion, and it beat by 2.89 billion. So they destroyed earnings. They almost beat by almost 3 billion right there. Their earnings are coming up in about 3 or 4 weeks on October 24th. And they're estimated to have about 20 billion in earnings again. I think they're going to, destroy earnings once again, just like the past quarter, and they're going to continue to, trend on up. Now, if we take a look right here at their, income statement, pretty much total revenue, 2016, they had 60.9 million, 2017, 65.8 million, 2018, 71.8, and then 2019, 74 million. If we look here at profits, it was 10 million, then 12.5, and then 13.7. This year, we should definitely blow through the 15 million plus gross profits with total revenue, hitting close to 80 million. That's what we're hoping for, especially with the whole Rona situation going on. A lot of people are ordering online and they're moving, towards that. They're not going in person to buy things in the store. And that is definitely helping us, especially with stocks like, UPS, FedEx, Amazon is doing amazing, which you're going to be hearing about, soon. And then even eBay is doing very, very well. All right, coming in at number 3 on our list for October is going to be ticker symbol AAPL, which is Apple. A lot of you guys should definitely be familiar with this stock. So this is an American multinational technology company that designs, develops, and sells consumer electronics, computer software, and online services. It is considered one of the biggest technology companies alongside Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. Obviously, you guys know about Apple. It was definitely a hype stock coming up into the split, same like Tesla was as well. But if we look here, year to date, this stock is doing amazing. It's up about 103%. It was down here at a low of about $57, but you got to take account, the split, which was a 4 split. So really, the stock was trading around $220 something around that price. Which is amazing. The stock did well, and now it's trading all the way up here. It made a high of about $137 per share, and obviously we made a little pullback here. If we look at the 6-month, we obviously made a little pullback right here. We're consolidating here around this $110, $105 area, and we're hoping to break that trend and continue to make some higher highs again in the near future. Now, if we take a look, Apple is trading at $112.28. Up about 3.7% as the close on Friday. So this stock is, it has a small, very, very small dividend, so nothing to look at, only 82 cents per share. The yield is only 0.73%, so it's not even a 1% yield, but at least it has something, I guess. Market cap, it was actually the first one to hit 2 trillion, but it kind of pulled back now, so we're only at 1.92 trillion, but we're very, very close. It could be a matter of days until we break that 2 trillion once again. If we take a look at their earnings, actually right here, they did really, really good. So they had earnings on July 30th, 2020. EPS actual was 65 cents per share. They beat by 13 cents. And then their revenue was 59.69 billion, beat by 7.13 billion. I mean, just think about that real quick. They beat earnings by $7 billion. Just think about what you could do with $7 billion. I mean, there's companies out here that, you could pretty much move the whole market with it, move the whole price of the stock with $7 billion. So Apple is a very, very good stock to own. And obviously, if you follow the stock market, Warren Buffett's company, which is Berkshire Hathaway, they own a very, very good amount of Apple stock, which means that Berkshire Hathaway is also another stock to keep an eye out on that I'm looking at least. But this stock is actually very, very well, and in the near future we'll have earnings, not in October but the month after, right actually after October, November 1st, and it's estimated to have some great earnings once again. If we take a look right here at Apple, right here, 215 million in 2016, 229 million, 265, and then 260 million with gross profits right here, 84 million, 88 million, 101 million, and then 98 million. So they're estimated to have around $100 million in, pretty much gross profits by the end of this year plus. So they have a lot of money that they're just sitting on that they can do whatever they want with. So Apple obviously is a stock that it's not going anywhere. This stock is going to continue to trend on up as long as people are buying their services. Obviously, whenever they have a new, iPhone or anything like that, Apple Watch, these people are going to go out there and they're going to buy it because they love Apple, just because of the name. They don't care about the price. Even though the cell phone could be $1,000, it could be $2,000. People are still going to go out there and they're going to buy them. So yeah, Apple is going to be our third pick on the list. And if you guys made it this far into the video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's get 200 likes like we said. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below saying FANG. You guys know FAANG. Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. Leave a comment below just saying FANG if you made it this far into the video, and be eligible for that giveaway like we said. Alright guys, so the number 2 stock on our list is going to be ticker symbol GME, which is GameStop. Now, not many people talk about this stock, and you might be surprised why this stock is even on this list, but just hear me out. So this is an American video game, consumer electronics and gaming merchandise retailer. It operates about 5,509 retail stores throughout the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe as of February 1st, 2020. Now, this stock has been on fire. So it was trading down here when the Rona started around $2.80, a little bit lower actually than that. So it's went up over 300-400% actually since then. But year to date, it's actually up 92%. Currently trading at $10.02, up about 9.63% on Friday at the close. So this stock actually started gaining some momentum in the past month. It was trading at around $4. And it's went up over 100% already, and it keeps on going up and up. And if you guys follow any of those Reddit pages like Wall Street Bets, you guys will know there's a guy on there that is actually trading GameStop options, and he's made like close to $1 million, I believe, in options that he's been holding for pretty much a year. And people were kind of getting on him, and now that he's making huge profits, everybody is worshiping this guy. But basically, GameStop has some stuff going on for it as consoles are coming out soon. We're gonna have the Xbox and the PlayStation, obviously, as well, and many other things. I believe Pokemon is coming out with something as well in the future, and I think GameStop is going to be doing well. Now, obviously, earnings, they didn't do that well with earnings last quarter, but that's not something we're going to be, worried about. Earnings were about 2 or 3 weeks ago. They missed by 57 cents per share. They missed by $76 million, but that is okay because they have other things going for it in the long run. If we look here for their total revenue in 2017, 8.6 million, 2018, 9.2, 2019, 8.2, and then 2020, 6.4. So it's been going down. Gross profits, 3 million, 3 million, 2.3, and then 1.9 million, as of this year at the beginning of the year. So, GameStop, they have these things that are bringing it down, but GameStop in the long run has some, it's on a trend right now. It's continuing to push up, and it has more to go. The reason that GameStop is so good is because you can pre-order, different things, especially these consoles that are going to be coming out soon, and people want to get their hands on. They want to be one of the first ones to get it, and I believe that GameStop is going to have a very, very good quarter. Now, that doesn't mean that, they're going to have good quarters in the upcoming year, but they're going to have a decent quarter coming up, in the next few months. So this stock is definitely a hot stock to follow right now and see what happens in the next few months, but definitely not a long-term hold, more of a kind of like a swing trade, I guess, for a few weeks or a few months to see what happens with it. And finally, guys, we're at the number one pick, and it's going to be ticker symbol AMZN. You guessed it, Amazon. So Amazon is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. So Amazon actually just got an upgrade, in the past week. It got a price upgrade on to their stock price. Currently trading at $3,095.13. It was up about 2.5% on Friday at the close, so $75 jump on Friday, which is amazing. Year to date, this stock is up 75%. It was down here at a low of about $1,600 actually when the Rona started in March, and it's almost doubled pretty much since then. It hit a high here about $3,500 per share, pulled back a little bit, just like all these other stocks. They're kind of pulling back, especially in the NASDAQ. They're pulling back, consolidating, hopefully continuing to go up. Now, one thing to say with this is CNET has announced that Amazon Prime Day will begin October 13th. Now, Amazon has confirmed only that it plans to hold Prime Day in the fourth quarter of 2020, but Amazon did not state when exactly that Prime Day is going to be, but some of these other sources are saying that it's going to be around October 13th, October 14th, so we're going to see what happens with that. But Prime Day is coming up, in October, hopefully. We're going to see what happens. And then obviously, just like with UPS and FedEx, like we talked about, we have, the holidays coming up, so Amazon is going to be very, very busy. Not saying that they haven't been busy with the whole Rona situation, as everybody is ordering things online now, but they're going to be even busier with the holiday season coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all these other holidays that are coming up soon, and that's definitely going to help Amazon have a very, very good earnings. Now with Amazon, obviously they don't have a dividend, but their market cap is 1.55 trillion. If we take a look here at their earnings, actually on July 30th, 2020, their EPS actual was $10.30 per share, beat by $8.70, huge beat. And then revenue, 88.91 billion, surprise beat by 7.5 billion. So just like Apple, over 7 billion, $7.5 billion beat on the profits. So that is amazing. That is a huge beat. Like we said, that just shows the power of these FANG stocks, especially like Apple, Amazon. They're doing so well. If we take a quick look here at Amazon, total revenue in 2016, 135 million, 2017, 177, 2018, 232, and then 2019, 280 million. And then if we look here at the gross profits, 30 million, 40 million, 59 million, and 74 million. We're on pace to, hit maybe close to 90 million gross profit for Amazon this year, in 2020. That would be, a pretty good beat for them, an amazing thing for Amazon. So Amazon is doing very, very well. They're on par to continue to do very well in the next few months, in the next year. At least until this whole Rona situation is not over, Amazon is going to continue to do very, very well. And they're also starting to compete with other companies like Tesla. Obviously now Walmart's trying to get into play with Amazon and try to compete with them, but Amazon is just so far ahead of everybody that nobody has any competition on them right now. Well, guys, those were the top 4 stocks for the beginning of October. We have some very hot stocks going on. If I missed any stocks that you guys think are going to be doing very well, leave a comment below letting me know what stocks you think is going to be doing good in next month or next quarter, and I can do a review on that stock in the future video. So leave a comment below just letting me know what stock you think is going to do very good. And if you guys made it this far, obviously, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified in my future content. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the future, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.